slide. You're about to see why this has clocked up 10 million hits. This doesn't look possible, and if it is, it doesn't look advisable.
I do think it's real because I think someone is foolish enough to have tried it.
But who's right? Is this a genuine jump or a slippery stunt?
We can use the laws of physics and projectile motion to calculate if this clip is feasible.
So I ran the numbers and measured how long he spent in the air and the distance he had to travel, and I worked out that the exit speed from the ramp needed to be at least 105 kilometers per hour or 65 miles per hour. And that ramp was no way near as high as you need to be able to generate that speed. This video is a definite fake. He needs a bigger ramp.
Even if he managed to reach enough speed, this stunt is too dangerous. Any slight variation in his position and aerodynamics will make him miss his target, which will end in a deadly crash.
One false move and this guy is a chapati.
So far in